Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python that is widely used for numerical and scientific computing. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and many mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. In this tutorial, we will focus on how to use NumPy with conditions, specifically using Boolean indexing to select elements based on two conditions. Overview of Boolean indexing. Boolean indexing allows you to filter arrays based on conditions. When you apply a condition to a NumPy array, it returns a Boolean array that can be used to index the original array. Setting up. First, make sure you have NumPy installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using ###importing NumPy. Let's start by importing NumPy. Creating a sample array. We'll create a NumPy array for demonstration purposes. Applying two conditions. Let's say we want to filter this array to find elements that are greater than 30 and less than 90. We can achieve this using Boolean indexing. Here's how to do it. Explanation of the code. 1. Defining conditions. We define two conditions. Condition 1 checks if elements are greater than 30, and condition 2 checks if elements are less than 90. 2. Combining conditions. We use the bitwise AND operator, AND, to combine the two conditions. Note that when using multiple conditions, you should enclose each condition in parentheses. 3. Filtering the data. We use the combined condition to index the original array, resulting in a new array, filtered_data, that contains only the elements that satisfy both conditions. 4. Output. Finally, we print the original and filtered data. Complete code example. Here's the complete code for your reference. Expected output. When you run the code, the output will be conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to use NumPy for Boolean indexing with two conditions. This technique is very powerful for filtering data based on multiple criteria in scientific and numerical computing tasks. You can extend this logic to more complex conditions and larger datasets as needed. Happy coding!